Hey guys, so this is the Nifty chart and we have not taken the trade so far. What we are trying. So based on the structure and based on the analysis, we are trying to short this thing. Alright, so we'll be taking a short entry. Right now it's not ready. Once it's ready and the pattern is complete, we'll take the short entry and I'll be updating you as we go along on that trade. Alright guys, so we got filled. This is the entry and the target and the stop for this trade. This is an FT, we are shorting it and hopefully this is intraday trade. We would be filling our target today. If not, we might take it tomorrow. But that I'll be updating you as we go along on this trade. So as you can see guys, Nifty is moving in our direction, not moving so much because this is the 1st of January. Not many people are trading. So we'd be paying more attention to it and I'll be updating you. The worst thing, come out break even on this trade. Okay, don't lose any money but still hold the potential to gain as much as possible. Alright guys, so this is the next update. As you can see, we are about to get hit our target, so we'd be booking our half of the quantity over there. Okay, make sure you are not booking your full profits. I don't want to lose any out of it. Alright, so book your half of the quantity and half of the quantity I'll be sending the message. So do that and we'll see what happens at the end of the day. It's like 20 minutes more to the market. Alright guys, so this is the final update into the trade. As you can see, this is an intraday trade and this is the drawback of the intraday trade. We have to take the trade off before reaching our target because there is no time left. But nevertheless, it's still 57 points out of the market. It's more than 1:2. What else you want on the beginning of the new year, right? So we are already making good money out of it. So anyways, congratulations to those who were into it. I look forward to make more profits in the market. I'll be seeing you soon as I find any good trade in the market. Thank you so much.